Today I'm sharing with you a really simple recipe, really easy to make, real quick, very few ingredients, and it's gluten-free, no added sugar, with a healthy dose of fruits and vegetables, and really easy to put together early in the morning for breakfast. So let's get started with the recipe. So in a blender, I'm adding 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. To that, I'm adding 2 cups of tightly packed spinach leaves. Next, I'm adding 2 ripe bananas. The riper the banana, the sweeter it is. And then I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I will add 1 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using skim milk, but if you're vegan, you can use soy milk or almond milk. And let's give this a quick blend. So once it's blended, it becomes this pourable kind of batter. So now our batter is ready and we're going to make our pancakes. So I have a non-stick pan here that I'm going to grease with some butter. If you're vegan, you can use oil or vegan butter. And we'll just pour our mixture in. And let this cook on the bottom side for a few minutes until you see some bubbles happening on the top. And that's when you know it's kind of ready to be flipped over. Now, as you see the bubbles are there, we're gonna flip it over. The first pancake is always, the heat and everything that needs to be adjusted. So that's really it. This is how we make our pancakes. We're gonna make the rest of our pancakes with this batter. I think this batter made about 10 small pancakes for me. But depending on how big and how small you make your pancakes, it might make a little bit more, a little bit less. And that's really it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This is really great for breakfast. Really healthy way to start the day for the kids as well. And the kids actually love this. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And as always, say a little prayer and share the love.